On February 17, 2018, Google discontinued their most practical and useful feature, View Image, which I personally use a lot because I make videos using so many pictures. But you don't have to worry, I have a solution for this problem. But you won't get your View Image feature back. Actually, there is an alternative to that. We have to ditch the new Google and switch to DuckDuckGo.com. Let's search for Facebook's logo. Then click on Images. DuckDuckGo is eventually slower than Google in loading images, but it will get the work done. Click on any picture, and on the left side there is a button for View File. Just click on that, and it will take you where you want it to go. There are many other alternatives also, but I like this most. And I wish Google will roll back the View Image feature soon. You can also check out the Bing, Yahoo search and other search engine also. Like this video if it helped you and watch my this video. And thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Farewell.